Morton Salt 1501 Clean Protect System Water Softener. This product is formerly known as Morton System Saver II. It's comparable to the Morton Pure Natural product. The product comes highly recommended in many water softening systems and by far has the best reviews by consumers. It's also stamped with the Good Housekeeping seal of approval. 1501 comes in a 50-pound bag and includes a carrying handle for ease of use, transport, and pouring into the water softening system. Its patented formula guarantees extended appliance life, improved efficiency, and crystal clear, pure-tasting water for drinking, bathing, washing, and cooking. Here are some pros. Highly recommended product since 2005, patented and limited warranty, Good Housekeeping approved. And here are the cons. Priced 2 times higher when purchased online, limited to only a 50-pound bag size, name change caused consumer confusion.